Hello everyone. My name is FG. Welcome to my channel FG Facts Describer. I hope you all will fine. So in this video I will tell you 10 facts about Rolls-Royce Company. So here are the 10 facts about Rolls-Royce Company, which is the company of most luxury and expensive cars. Fact number 1. The original designs for the Rolls-Royce engines were made on a tablecloth. In 1904, Charles Rolls met Henry Royce at the Midland Hotel in Manchester, and the two of them sketched out the designs for the first Rolls-Royce engine on a tablecloth. Fact number 2. Rolls-Royce's famous hood ornament, the Spirit of Ecstasy, was originally a gift from an aristocrat to her lover, John Scott Montague, who was a close friend of Charles Rolls and Henry Royce. Fact number 3. During World War II, Rolls-Royce produced more than 150,000 Merlin engines for the Royal Air Force, which were instrumental in winning the Battle of Britain. Fact number 4. The first car to use the Rolls-Royce name was the Rolls-Royce 10 horsepower, which was introduced in 1904. The car was initially sold under the name Royce, but Rolls suggested that they add his name to the car to create the Rolls-Royce brand. Fact number 5. The Rolls-Royce Company also made engines for tanks and other military vehicles during World War II, including the famous Spitfire airplane. Fact number 6. Rolls-Royce produced the first car in the world to have a built-in radio. The car was a Rolls-Royce 2025, which was introduced in 1935. Fact number 7. The company's headquarters in Derby, England, is also home to the Rolls-Royce Engineering College, where engineers are trained in the latest technology and manufacturing techniques. Fact number 8. Rolls-Royce has won many awards for its innovative designs and engineering, including a record-breaking 16 Aviation Week Laureate Awards for its aircraft engines. Fact number 9. In 2019, Rolls-Royce announced its plans to develop a hybrid electric flying taxi, which would be capable of vertical takeoff and landing and would carry up to 5 passengers. Fact number 10. The most expensive Rolls-Royce ever sold was the Sweptail, which was custom designed for a private customer and sold for a reported $13 million in 2017. The car features a unique one-of-a-kind design and comes complete with a champagne fridge and a bespoke luggage set. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want you can also like my videos and subscribe my channel. Trust me, it's 100% free to like and subscribe.